What is the y-intercept when an equation is not y is equal to mx plus b? Imagine you're looking at a graph and want to find exactly where it touches the vertical line that runs up and down the page. That point is called the y-intercept. Even if the equation isn't written in the usual slope-intercept form, you can still find this special point. The y-intercept is the spot where the graph crosses the y-axis, which is the vertical line on the graph. To find it when the equation isn't in the form y equals something, you just need to set the x value to 0. Think of x as the horizontal position. When is 0, you're right on the y-axis. For example, if the equation is in general form, like x plus y plus c equals 0, you can find the y-intercept by plugging in 0 for x, so replace with 0, and the equation becomes y plus c equals 0. Then, solve for y by subtracting c from both sides and dividing by b. The y-intercept is then 0 for x, and whatever y value you get. If the equation is in point-slope form, which looks like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, you do the same thing. Set x to 0, so the equation becomes y minus y1 equals m times 0 minus x1. Simplify that, and you get y minus y1 equals negative m times x1. Add y1 to both sides, and you find the y-intercept. Some equations might describe vertical lines, like x equals a constant. These lines do not cross the y-axis at any point, so they have no y-intercept. Also, shapes like circles or ellipses can cross the y-axis at more than one point, meaning they have multiple y-intercepts. The key idea is that no matter what from the equation takes, finding the y-intercept always involves setting to 0 and solving for y. This gives you the exact point where the graph touches or crosses the y-axis. It helps you understand the graph better and see where the line or curve begins or intersects the vertical axis. So, even if the equation looks complicated, just remember to plug in 0 for x, and you'll find the y-intercept every time.